Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Anselm County in central North Carolina, Stanley County in central North Carolina, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albemarle, Tyler, Norwood, Oakboro, Finger, and Lake Hillary. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.